Can you explain what coffee is this? It's Ethiopian coffee, right?
This is Ethiopian coffee.
Oh, right.
And then, like I say, I'll show you in a minute. Let me.
Do you have a light here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Let me see. This is a coffee. I will show you in a minute. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Okay. This is Ethiopian coffee.
Ethiopian coffee, okay.
But this one definitely from Ethiopia.
All right.
So, like you see me, I've been just to.
Oh, you doing that? Okay.
I've been cooking them.
Okay.
Like you see me.
No, I'm recording here.
Yeah,
This is camera.
I know, but he's telling
phone
me.
star.
Okay.
Anyway, so now we put everything inside. I make it, I
Coffee.
ground it,
Okay.
and then I put them here.
Okay.
So now it's gonna be
So it's something similar to the Kashmiri Kahwa. Kahwa, you know?
Kahwa.
Yeah, same.
Like Kahwa.
It's the same Kahwa, right?
Same Kahwa. Same.
Oh, right, right.
Yeah, it is Kahwa, but
Only the
this one is
coffee
brown.
beans is different, right?
Yeah, no, it's all the same.
Okay.
But it's only the way we cook it is different.
Different.
Kahwa
It's too
is
strong.
lighter.
Okay.
Kahwa is very slow and then lighter. I was
Okay.
in Saudi Arabia for 23 years
Okay.
and I know what is
وهذا كان
Kahwa.
في الامارات 30 سنه
ما
في
شاء
دبي.
الله انت كنت في
Dubai.
Oh,
Yeah.
my
I was in
goodness.
Dubai 8 years.
What?
8 years.
8 years you left.
Yeah.
Before
2014 to 2022.
Oh, I went for holiday for 12 days
Yeah.
before 2 years. It was awesome. We've been everywhere. So
Yeah.
anyway, let's go back here.
Yeah.
So this is it. When it is cooked in like coffee pots,
Okay.
it's made from Sakila, okay? So it's tastier. And then we're gonna do it like this. It's come in.
So is it with the sugar or without the sugar?
Up to you.
Okay,
you know?
okay.
When it's finished,
Okay.
I'm gonna bring it there to pour it for you. So you could put it, depend up to you.
Okay. That's fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it.
Yeah. And then
All
we
right.
bring it popcorn, and then there is. You should record. You know, if you record, then I should make it there.
Yeah. One you. It's okay. It's for my friends only. Thank you. Thank you.
No worry.
Bye.
Thank you.
Trying the traditional Ethiopian coffee. Let's have a try. Good. കൊള്ളാം കേട്ടോ അടിപൊളി സാധനമാണ്. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Yeah, good. Thank you.